You won't believe how easy upgrading your surveillance system can be. Many businesses face huge costs when upgrading to IP cameras, often needing to replace their entire setup. But with ACTi's Hybrid DVR solution, this challenge becomes a thing of the past. Designed for those who already have analog cameras but want to introduce IP technology, ACTi's Hybrid DVR allows you to manage both without discarding your current equipment. This not only saves money but also maximizes the use of your existing assets. The Hybrid DVR supports up to 16 cameras, offering flexibility for a variety of scenarios. Using advanced H.265 compression technology, it saves up to 50% storage space while maintaining high-quality footage. This means you can reduce hard drive space and lower long-term storage costs without compromising video quality. The solution also comes with a mobile client feature, enabling you to view real-time footage from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're on-site or away, you have full control at your fingertips. This is ideal for those who need to monitor their security frequently. Additionally, ACTi's Hybrid DVR has a high-sensitivity abnormal activity detection system that alerts you instantly when issues arise, allowing for quick response and maximum security. Compared to other competitors on the market, ACTi's Hybrid DVR stands out with its more flexible and cost-effective design. While many systems require a complete overhaul, ACTi allows you to seamlessly integrate analog and IP technologies, reducing hardware investment and boosting overall efficiency. This makes it especially suited for small to medium-sized businesses or locations looking to expand their current systems. If you're searching for a surveillance solution that effortlessly integrates analog and IP technology, ACTi's Hybrid DVR is your best option. This hybrid solution not only enhances performance but also saves you money and time. Visit our official website in the comments to discover more exciting details.